Hello again. Let's complete our lesson about strings. Strings has a unique functions that you can add to your strings inside. I wrote this program, okay? It's take from the user his first name, his second name, add them both and add here concatenation. This will make a space between first name and second name, then will print out your full name is blah blah blah. Okay, so don't want to waste your time, so let's start with modification in our string. That's first. If I need to enter something in one line and I want to the remaining of the sentence to be in the other line, how I can make it? And for example, your full name is blah blah blah, first name and second name. Okay, I want this in another line. We can add backslash and add n. Okay, let's start. Mark Zuckerberg. Look, your full name is Mark Zuckerberg because I add this new line. Okay, I want to add a quotation. If I want to add a quotation like this, it will give me this area as a string. How I can make it? Okay, also to add backslash before it. Okay, it will appear in my program. Look, your full name is quotation. Okay, if I add backslash, it will appear of course what backslash, nothing more. So let's start for the important thing, the functions. If I want this full name, okay, this full name to appear in uppercase, okay, I will add function upper. When we are adding dot, it will appear all the functions. Okay, you can study it all as you like. There is a lot of functions, but we will use the famous one, upper. Okay, and we will make it like this. Now it will appear in upper form. Amr Muhammad. Look, it's appear capital. Okay, and the same if I use lower, it will appear if it's capital. Okay, it will appear if the input was Amr Muhammad. It will appear in lowercase. Okay, also we can use is lower and is upper if I want to check true or false, if I want to make it boolean is. Okay, but here it will be true or false. For example, Amr Muhammad, it's a boolean. Okay, so I need to convert it string. This is the conversion we took last time. Amr Muhammad. Look, it's false, it's not lower. Okay, and the both has to be the same. Both has to be the same, otherwise, because this is we are adding. Okay, so this is lower and is upper. Okay, I also can make it a little bit complicated and make it lower first, then I can check is lower. For example, Amr Muhammad. Look, it's giving me true, since it's first thing I added low. But let's try it if I add it in this form. Look, also true, since I make it lower, then I checked it's lower. Okay. Also, there is another useful function. It's called length. Length, it's giving me the character number of the phrase. What is length? For example, I want to check the length of the full name. How many the character of full name? How many characters in the full name? Let's start. Amr Muhammad. 7. 3 and 3 and space. 7. And here we will talk about the length, how it's calculated in Python. Python is calculating the character starting from 0. For example, I will add name equal Amr Khalid. So how Python will start to count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I want to count this, I will start from 0. And this will help me in index and replace and find. So let's start. For example, we want index. Okay, we will use now name. Remove this length. Okay, we will use name dot index, and we will start searching for A. We will search in A in name. Okay. Wherever we are not now using this, so he will tell me your full name is 0. 0 because he is searching in A in Amr. Okay. So here if I want to use K, I will make it complicated. We can search also for full name or couple of partially some letters. So I will use KH. Okay, let's start. 4 1 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, KH will start. You can use word or part of the word or letter. It's up to you. Okay. Also, we can use replace. Replace taking two inputs. Okay, the old and the new. Okay, so we write KH. I want to change it to 4 and 5. Okay, it's very easy. Amr, enter, look, Amr 4 5 ALAD. So this is replace. Also, we can use find. If I want to find something, for example, I want to check LED. Where is it? Seven. You know about it, and he start counting. Okay. Lastly, we want to check in. If I have any word, okay, and I want to check if this particular letter or word in that string, we will get answer from it. So let's start with string. For example, I will write Amr in name. Okay, so let's find it. True, Amr is there. Okay, let's make it a little bit complicated. Leave name. Okay, and we will back again to our full name. If the user giving me first name or second name, I will search Amr on it, if Amr is available on the full name or not. Okay, so I will search Amr in the full name and let's find it out. Okay, our first name is Khalid. Mark. False. He didn't find this in the full name. Okay, let's try it again. Amr. Khalid. False. Why? If you find here Amr, I entered with low case, and here I have in the uppercase. Okay, I told you it's very sensitive. So if I want to check something, I need to check with the case also. So for example, if I need to enter anything in the uppercase. So I need to come here and make this here and make this upper and make this upper. Okay, so anything will come from the user, it will come in the uppercase, so I can search in the uppercase. Okay, so let's start. I will write it. It will come true. Why? It's now in the uppercase. There is a bunch of functions and very useful functions, but this is the common, so we will not talk in all of them. You can search about it, and you will find a lot of things very useful in Python functions. So you can use a lot of things, and there is a lot of variations you can use in your program, depending on what you need. So if you face any problem, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.